Okay, so getting straight into the latest pickup that I have, let's just cut to the chase. Let's get it done. Okay, so I don't know who in the world I think I am, but I'm somebody, so they wrapped it up for me. But anyways, you know, you just pull it on out. But bam! Who your girl think she is? Who do I think I am, y'all? Like, I'm not into big bags, but here I am with a big bag. Why? Why? I don't know. But this is the large signature embossed Rowan. Get into her. Gets into her, honey. And she got the feet at the bottom like a grown woman supposed to. She got her shoes on. She got her shoes on. Okay, so let's open her up. Let's see here. And y'all seen that she got the zip pocket on the back. Oh, that, you hear that zipper? That's butter, baby. That's a good ass zipper. Take that out. Okay, so she comes with the crossbody strap. Now, I never had like a large Rowan, so yeah. Okay, so tan lining there on the pocket. Of course, there's the story patch or creed. Then you got a zipper pocket on the opposite side. Okay. So yeah, I think I want to dress her up too, but I'm really thinking about taking it back because, like I said, I don't know who I think I am. This is way outside my comfort zone. But I'm thinking, like, what if I wear her like under my arm? You know how they doing the new shoulder straps for the bigger Speedies now? What if I wore her like they doing the Speedies? I don't know. And what the fuck I put in here? I don't know. All good questions. Very relevant. I don't know. So, and I got one more. So, hold on a second. Let me get that one. I got you. Okay. So, my other latest pickup is something that was on my wish list since I fell down the Coach rabbit hole, which was March of last year, March or April. So it was between this color and the black and brass, but I still feel like eventually I'll get the black and brass. But as of right now, hold on, let me see. Maybe because it's girl looking real pale over there. Okay, but as of right now, this is her. This is she. I'll get into her. So this is the honey brown chain tabby, baby. She is so good. So good. So let's go ahead and attach that chain. That's why we call her the chain tabby. Okay. And okay, I want to do, look at my little poochie pooch sitting by the door. You wanted to come in here. You the one who wanted to come in here, Dior. Now you sitting there. She wants to go outside with her dad. It's crazy how dogs are traitors, honey. Straight up traitors. Okay. Okay, so here she is. with the shoulder strap and the chain strap. So good. Yes. Get into her. Can y'all see? Yes. So good. So good. Yes. Yes. So good. But yeah, girl, pants rolling down on me. I've been wanting to add this to my collection for almost a whole year, and so this color finally went on sale. So I'm like, oh yeah, but I'm like, I was thinking like this color or the black. I thought they was gonna be like signature staple colors, but I guess not. And then here in the back, I feel like that's like almost like a felt lining. I don't know. But this zipper here on the back, I probably will never really use it because it's not that easy. It gets, look at that. Yeah, it gets stuck right there. But I don't think they thought that through. Like, it should have been wide all the way through. Think about that, coach. Next one you design. But she is good. She holds a decent amount. Look, y'all. So I got 3 of them. I got this, the sage, and the denim. And to complete my collection, all I will need is the black. Now, yes, there are way more colors that are available. But for me, that's all I need. I don't need the rest of the colors. So yeah, this is just a small little haul. Nothing too much, something slight that I wanted to box with you guys. I was thinking about dressing up Big Mama. But I'm not too sure. Maybe I'll make another video for that one. But this is my latest pickups. So let me see. Yeah, I'm just trying to get some thumbnails. Ring light popping in the back on one of the videos. Okay, but yeah, let me know, do any of you all got any of the chain tabbies? If you're interested in them, and if you are, have you picked it up, or what is stopping you from picking any of them up? But this was just like I said, some short and sweet. So I just want to thank you guys for stopping in and clicking on my channel today. I'm very grateful for every new follower that I have. Thank you, you guys. And once again, don't forget to like, share, comment, and what? Subscribe, girl. Hit that notification button so you don't miss none of my latest uploads, because your girl is coming with consistency in 2026. Period. Let me see. So y'all, I'm trying to record on 2 different platforms at once. Who do I think I am? Because they say when you record on certain platforms, if you use that platform's camera, it's embedded in the file when you save it. So I'm trying to do regular, and then I'm doing like one on a TikTok. Your girl's coming with the consistency. Yes, give it to me. Girl, let's see how long it lasts. I'm not gonna doubt myself. I'm gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Yes, I am. And y'all gonna help me, okay? Because I be stalking my little YouTube page to see, okay, I'm up to 5 views today. It's so, I can't even describe like the feeling. But yeah, y'all just continue to come along on my journey with me, and it won't be all unboxing. This is not about spending money or trying to keep up with the Joneses or anything. But I'm just a mom trying to curate my purse collection and, you know, live my best life and save a couple of coins trying to curate my purse collection. But I did want to start doing a few other things. I wanted to get into self-care. So let me know down in the comments some suggestions on what type of videos you would like to see. I was also thinking about adding mod shots in. So yeah, once again, let me know. I think I am going to add my shots in to me with the Big Mama, because like I said, I'm not a big bad girl, but you know what, let me let's compare it to my Speedy 30. I think it's a Speedy 30. I'm pretty sure it is. Here goes my first Big Mama, y'all. Okay. Okay, so let's do a comparison to boom, bada boom. Okay, so I believe, like I said, it was a gift from my husband for my birthday. So I'm comparing it to the Speedy 30. So here we are. Here now the Speedy is stuffed. I have her stuffed, and here we are. I can't really see y'all. It's so damn big. So here they are at the bottom. I want to say that the LV is wider at the base. What y'all think? What do they have to say? I think the Speedy is bigger. I mean, I know that it's stuffed, but it's just overall it's just wider, like it's bigger. Yeah. On my tripping. What y'all think? What do y'all think? I think yeah, I honestly think that it's no. Big mama, hey, big mama, hey. Okay, so that is that. Let me go ahead and put this back. Hold on, y'all. Okay. So I don't even know where I'm about to put this girl up on my shelf. So I just recently reorganized my purse shelf behind me, and now it's like, well, where am I put this girl at? Maybe that's my sign that I need to stop shopping. You think that's a sign, y'all? Let me know. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for stopping through. And okay, y'all, so I just want to say thank you so much for stopping by and seeing the latest thing that I picked up from the outlet, as well as the Coach winter sale. So until the next one, girl, don't forget to like, comment, share, and what? Subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my latest videos, because your girl is coming with consistency in 2026. Believe it. Okay, so I'm trying to grow my community, and I would love for you to continue to be a part of it. And once again, leave something in the comments letting me know, is there anything else that you would like for me to share on here? Do y'all like to see what's in my bag or mod shots? I think I am going to add that in. I think I said that already. And once again, I don't want this to be a channel of just spending money. I want this to be just, I'm just a mom curating my purse collection. Nothing too much, some slight. So I do want to also get into self-care. So doing like facials and, you know, dupes for stuff that might be more pricey, but we can find the same ingredients at a cheaper price. Because what? I'm allergic to paying full price. Seriously. Okay, you guys. So that's it. Until next time. Bye.